Everybody, thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by SicilianSeaSalt.com. Simply the best salt you can buy. So what we're doing today is we're making a basic barbecue rub for ribs, and I'm going to make it my way, the way I like the best. So follow along, and you can always change things, to whatever flavors you prefer. We're going to start out with about half a cup of Sicilian coarse sea salt right here. And to that, we're going to add about a teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, about 2 tablespoons of paprika, a tablespoon and a half of ground mustard. We have some chili powder here. It's about a tablespoon of chili powder. And to that, we're going to add some ground black pepper. This is about a 12. As close to a 12 as you can get, and to that it's going to be about 4 tablespoons, so about a quarter cup. We're also going to throw in a little bit of thyme, about a tablespoon of thyme, and about a quarter cup of brown sugar. Stole some of this stuff from Pappy's in St. Louis. Pappy's in St. Louis is a great place to be able to get ribs, and I stole what I liked out of their rub. So like I said, you can alternate stuff and change things around to whatever you like for your flavors. And then it's really easy. You just kind of mix it up. And I like to take a look at it and see how it mixes in with the salt. You really want to make sure that there's enough salt in there to tenderize the meat a little bit more, to really bring out the flavor of everything else that's going on. I mean, the smoker's going to tenderize the meat to a large extent, but you want this salt to do the rest. And at the very end, I usually add about a quarter cup, somewhere between 3 or 4 tablespoons of granulated garlic. So this is not garlic powder, but granulated. I like it better. It doesn't like the powder just soaks right in. And I like this to kind of stick on the outside a little bit longer, and I think that does that. So there you have it. You can see this rub's basic rub. It's mixed in pretty well, and now all you need to do is just get that on your ribs and have a great day.